Don't throw away your candles once you've burned all the wax. Instead, throw them in the freezer overnight. Then get a box cutter and score all of the remaining wax at the bottom of the candle. Doing this separates the wax from the ceramic or the glass. Then you want to take a butter knife and carefully scratch all the wax out. Because it's frozen, it'll easily break and pop off. We like to save all of our residual wax because we have a candle warmer, so we reuse that wax in there. The wick is going to be the hardest part to get off the candle because they super glue those at the bottom, so just be really careful and use a butter knife, or if you need to, you can also grab pliers. Once you removed all the wax, you want to wash these really good. I use super hot, soapy water. And now for the fun part, how you get to repurpose them. I personally like to take my candles and turn them into planters. I think that they make for really, really cute vessels for plants to be in, and I just overall like reusing them. Happy repurposing!